guys, my name's Katie and I'm a chef for Topdeck Travel. There's a lot more to my job than just cooking dinner, so I'm about to start on the Europe-inspired 26-day camping trip and I'm going to show you a little bit of what I do. Some pretty sweet perks to this job sometimes, and this beauty here is definitely one of them. And the teals that you get to work with as well, they're pretty cool. The view does not get old. To leave beautiful Ladderman, my favourite place on earth. I'm very sad to be going. So it's a cold breakfast today. So some cereals, some fruit and yogurt and some toast set up. I'm currently in the middle of packing down my lovely cook tent. Bit of a mess, but it will pack down shortly. So departure mornings are always a little bit hectic and I end up getting on the bus like just pouring in sweat from lifting everything onto the coach, and we're always on a really pretty strict time schedule to get out of here. So I pack everything down, the passengers help me move it all over to the coach, I pack the coach and I'm on my way. And I always forget to eat breakfast on this day and I get really hungry, hence the Nutella all over my hands. I decided to be good today. 3 hours into the big shop and the chef's level is kind of up here at the moment, but I've just checked out. So I'm about to go and load the car and then head to the small supermarket to pick up things for dietaries. Then I head back to the site and I pack the coach and make the lunches for tomorrow. So it's the end of day one on the first day from London to Paris. We just got to our hostel in Paris and there's about time for a 20-minute nap before we head out on our driving tour. This job has taught me how to nap like an absolute boss.